Hello students, now we see or we learn the partition values. Now partition values are the quartiles, deciles and percentiles. Now what is quartiles? So quartiles are denoted by Q1, Q2, Q3, means the series, the quartiles are the points such that the series divided into 4 equal parts. Quartiles are the 3 points which divide the series into 4 quartiles. First point is called the first quartile, second point is called the second quartile, and third point is called the third quartile. First quartile means of the series, 75% observations before it and 75% observations after it. Such point is called the first quartile and which is denoted by Q1. Second quartile means 50% observation before it and 50% observation after it. Such point is called the second quartile and it is denoted by Q2, and second quartile coincide with the median. Third quartile means 75% observations before it and 25% observation after it. Such point is called the third quartile and it is denoted by Q3. Now, to calculate the partition values, the method of the calculation of median is same here to calculate the partition values. Now, what is decile? Deciles means the 9 points which divide the series into 10 equal parts. Such points are called the deciles. First deciles, second deciles up to the 9th deciles. D6 means 6th deciles. Similarly, percentiles means 99 points which divide the series into 100 equal parts. Such points are called the percentiles. Now suppose P47. P47 means 47 percentiles. So calculation of the partition values is same as the calculation of the median value. Now you know how we find the median values. In median, first you find n, capital N, sum of all frequency, cumulative frequency. You find cumulative frequency first. Then first step is find n. Second, find n by 2. Third, see the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2 and corresponding value of that is the required median in case of variables are given and corresponding frequencies are given. Or you know, in case of continuous or in case of discrete frequency distribution, using formula you can find the median. Same here. Now we see one example. Now we see example, that is 8 coins were tossed together. Now you know that if one coin is tossed, you obtain head or tail. Therefore, outcomes are 2 outcomes. If you toss 2 coins simultaneously, you get 4 outcomes. Cartesian product of HT into HT. If you toss 3 coins simultaneously, you get 2 raised to 3 results. Similarly, if you toss 4 coins, you get 2 raised to 4 outcomes, means 16 outcomes. Same here, you toss 8 coins, means 2 raised to 8. Means 2 raised to 8 means there are 256 outcomes. 8 coins were tossed together and the number of heads resulting was noted. Outcomes are 250 pieces, but out of that only heads are noted. The operating was repeated 256 times and the frequencies here that were obtained for different values of x. The number of heads are shown in the following table. Calculate median, quartiles, fourth decile and 27th percentile. You know the definition of median, you know the quartiles, you know the deciles, also you know the definition of percentile. So using that you have to find all. Here variable x means the number of heads and corresponding frequency. Now here variable 0 means how many times the heads occurs, means 0, here x, so number of times 1. Frequency of variable 1, 9. Frequency of variable 2, 26. Frequency of variable 3, 59. Frequency of variable 4, 72. Frequency of variable 5, 52. Frequency of variable 6, 29. Frequency of variable 7, 7. And frequency of variable 8 is 1. Means 8 times. So number of times heads occurs 1. So we see median, quartiles, deciles and percentiles. You know the procedure of finding the median. So same here. So solution. Now example. Here you have the variables and frequencies. So variable 0 occurs 1 times, 1 occurs 9 times, 2 occurs 26 times, 3 occurs 59 times, 4 occurs 72 times, 5 occurs 52 times, 6 occurs 29 times, 7 occurs 7 times and 8 occurs 1 time. Now you know how you find the less than cumulative frequency or greater than cumulative frequency. Here 0, here frequency means 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 26, 36, 36 plus 59, 95, 95 plus 72, 167, 167 plus 52, 119, 119 plus 29, 248, and 248 plus 7, 256, 255, and 255 plus 1, 256. Now you have to find median, first quartiles, second quartiles, third quartiles, and D4 and percentile, 27th percentile. Now to find median, median means point Q2, means 50% observation before it and 50% observation after it, means Q2, and Q2 coincide with the median. Now here, what is N? N is the sum of all frequencies or cumulative frequency. Here 256. Therefore, first step n by 2. N by 2 means 256 upon 2. So is equal to 128. Therefore, cumulative frequency just greater than 128 is 167. Cumulative frequency this just greater than 128 is 167. And corresponding variable of 167 is 4. Therefore, required median is 4. Median or Q2 is 4. So, here you obtain median or second quartile. Now, to find first quartile, Q1. Q1 means 25% observation before it and 75% observation after it. 25 means 4 points which divide the series into 4 equal parts. 3 points which divide the series into 4 equal parts. First point is Q1. Here n by 4. N means 256 upon 4 means 64. Therefore, cumulative frequency just greater than 64 is 95. And corresponding value of 95 is 3. Therefore, Q1 is 3. So, here first quartile is 3. Now, we find the third quartile, Q3. Q3 means, Q3 is a point such that 75% observation before it and 25% observation after it. Therefore, 3 by 4 into n. 3 by 4 into n means 3 by 4 into 256 is equal to 192. and cumulative frequency just greater than 192 is 219, and corresponding value of 219 is 5. Therefore, third quartile Q3 is 5. Now, what is remaining? We have to find the fourth deciles and 27th percentile. Fourth deciles means, so deciles means 9 points which divide a series into 10 equals. Fourth deciles means 4 upon 10 into 256. 4 upon 10 into 256. So is equal to 102.4. And the cumulative frequency just greater than 102.4 is just greater than 100 point is 167, and corresponding value of 167 is 4. Therefore, fourth decile D4 is 4. Okay. Then last percentile, 27 percentile. You can find 47 percentile or 67 percentile. Here 27 percentile can be calculated. Now percentile means 99 points which divide the series into 100 equal parts. Here 27 point, 27 upon 100 into n, 27 upon 100 into 256. So is equal to 69.12, and cumulative frequency just greater than 69.12 is 95. Therefore, corresponding value of 95 is 3. Therefore, P27 is equal to 3. So in this way, you find first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, or any deciles, 10 deciles or 4 deciles or 47 percentiles. So this is the method for calculating the partition values. So we see next new chapter. We have completed 2 chapters. First, frequency distribution, and second is the measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency means mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean, and last article is partition value. Or graphically we can also locate this partition values, but this partition values is the last article for your syllabus. Thank you.